Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about my top 3 picks for the Diwali of 2022. These are the stocks which I hold in my portfolio as well, and they cater from the different industries as well as of different market capitalization. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel and do like this video. The first stock we will be discussing is Bajaj Finserv. As you know that this is the parent company of Bajaj Finance Limited. Along with that, it is the parent company of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, Life Insurance, Securities and many more. One of the reasons why I am bullish on this particular company is because it gives you exposure to the lending space as well as the insurance space in our country. The insurance sector has not been doing well in last couple of years, but I believe that they can eventually blow out of proportion in the coming years because of their underperformance as well as the growing trend in India as a country. Talking about the Bajaj Finserv, the current market price of the company is 1,684. I have been holding this particular company from the level of 9,000 rupees. After that, it went on a stock split and bonus. Now currently it is trading at a price of 1,684 rupees. The market capitalization for the company is 2,68,302, whereas the stock PE is of 49.1. I believe the company is fairly valued at the current market price, and eventually if the price fall down from the current level, then definitely you should think about investing in this particular company at a level of 1,600 to 1,550. So this is the chart of the Bajaj Finserv. You will see that in last 1 year, the company has not given any returns. Talking from the last Diwali, even the market has not given any return. And I believe that this particular company, if you found it a level of 1,600 or 1,550, then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company for the eventually targets of 2,000 rupees by next year. Now, looking at the financials of this particular company, you will see that the sales of the company has been increasing, and this time in the September quarter, they have done a largest sale of 20,803 crore rupees. The operating profit has been increased from the level of 6,315 to 7,387 on quarter basis. And there is a significant jump on the net profit of the company. Now you can see that the company has been doing exceptionally well on the balance sheet as well. And in the shareholding pattern, the foreign investors and the DIs has been increasing stake in the company in last quarter. Now, this is what I think of Bajaj Finserv, and I will be doing a SIP as well as investment in this particular company for the coming 1 year, and we will see how much return we have made on these stocks. The next company which I want to discuss with you is EaseMyTrip. Yes, it's a first bootstrapped company, OTA, online travel agency, which started its operation in 2008. Personally, I am very bullish on the tourism sector as of now in India, because I believe after the period of COVID, a lot of people wanted to travel, or during the period, a lot of people wanted to travel and could not explore the space. And with more work from home trend coming into the highlights of the companies, I believe that this one particular company can get a lot benefit in the coming days, in terms of travel booking, in terms of hotel booking and whatnot. This is why I'm bullish on EaseMyTrip. Again, I have been holding this particular stock since it got listed on the IPO, and they have given again stock bonus and split, which eventually brought down their price to the current level of 391 rupees. You will see that the stock is down by 2.16% on Friday trading session, and I believe that the company is at present at the current market price is a good buy, and it has a support near the level of 350. If you find this stock at a level of 350, then definitely you can think about investing in this company as well. Looking at the PE of the company is 67.9, which is relatively higher. But again, looking at them, you will see that they are doing exceptionally well in terms of their revenue growth, in terms of their profit growth from last couple of years. It's almost a debt-free company, which is a good sign. With a hike in interest rates also, there can be an effect on the high debt companies, and it gives you edge on that particular segment as well. This is the chart of EaseMyTrip. In last 1 year, it has done significantly well in comparison to Nifty as well, in comparison to other stocks as well. You will see that the company is currently trading at a 50 days moving average, which is roughly around 390, and the 200 days moving average, the next support for the company is roughly around 360 rupees. If you are someone who likes or believe in the India's tourism industry theory, then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company as well. There has been a huge surge in volumes in this particular company in last couple of months, and I believe that there are very high chances that this particular company can go significantly up from the current level to 40 to 50% in coming year. Looking at the financials of this particular company, they have not taken out their result for the September quarter, but in previous quarters, they have done fairly well. You will see that the sales has been rising since the COVID levels, when the industry got hit by the COVID, and now they have been doing a sales of roughly around 84 crore rupees. The operating profit has been increasing on the last quarter basis as well as on the year-on-year basis. I believe that similar kind of pattern can be seen in the coming quarter result of September. You can wait for the result to come out and then even plan to invest in this particular company. And the net profit has been increased from 24 crore to 34 crore in quarter-on-quarter basis of March 2022 to June 2022. Looking at the shareholding pattern, the FIIs has been reducing their slight stake in this particular company. The DIIs has been increasing their stake in this particular company, whereas the promoters are holding 74.90% share of the company. The promoters are believing in its own company, then it's a very good and healthy sign for the company as well. Again, I have discussed about the targets. I believe the target for this particular company can be roughly around 30 to 40% in coming year to the level of 500 rupees. The next company which I want to discuss is the India's largest bank, HDFC Bank. I have been bullish on the banking sector from last 1 year, and I have been making multiple videos related to the banking stocks. What are the price targets? What are the price levels? If you haven't checked that, then definitely you can go to my channel and check some videos on the banking stocks as well as IT stocks. Yes, this is one stock which I believe that a lot of people are negative about. It has not done really well in last couple of years, but with the merger of HDFC into HDFC Bank, I believe that there will be a lot of value unlocking in this particular segment. Now the HDFC Bank is again a banking company which is currently giving you a chance to invest into the housing space as well. Yes, with the merger of HDFC into the HDFC Bank will eventually expose you to more opportunities. This is what I believe. And you will see that the stock PE of the company is only 19.2. The market cap of the company is 8,01,294, and it is currently standing at the margin of safety level of 1400 to 1300, where you can definitely plan to invest in this particular company. Talking about the chart, you will see that the company has not done well in last 1 year. That is why that people are not very optimistic about this particular company. And from the current level, there are high chances that the company can show you a up run to the level of 1550. If it breaks the level of 1550, then definitely it can go to check its 52 weeks high of 1700 rupees as well in coming days. So looking at the financial sheet of this particular company, you will see that the company is making highest revenue all time. The company is generating highest financing profit all time. The company is making highest net profit of all time, and still the stock price is not at the all-time high level. Again, you will see that the numbers are speaking volumes for the company itself. And if you think that the HDFC Bank is going to remain the largest bank in the Indian banking sector, or if you believe that the HDFC merger to this particular segment can unlock value, then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company. Now looking at the shareholding pattern, you will see that the FIs hold 32.14%, the promoter hold 25.64%, and DIs hold 27.53%. Again, it's a very good shareholding pattern for the company like HDFC Bank, and I believe that if you want to get into some safe stock, then HDFC Bank should be your go-to stock in the stock market. Now there are other stocks also which I wanted to discuss, which you can definitely think about investing in the for the Diwali of 2023, which I haven't discussed in this video because I knew that I would not be able to cover that under 10 minutes. But there are some stocks like Balaji Amines, Jubilant Foodwork, and you can definitely think about manufacturing space of Dixon, where a lot of PLI schemes has been coming in and helping companies like this Dixon, and even Electronic Smart India Limited, which recently got listed on the stock market. I have made a lot of videos on the ID companies, that's why I haven't added any ID companies in this particular video, but definitely you can check some of my recent videos where I have talked about KPIT Technologies, LTTS and LTI, especially where I am very much bullish on the IT companies. I hope you liked the video. If so, please make sure to share it with your friends and do hit the subscribe button. Thank you.